upbeat music playing, camera zooms in on the two steam mops, one on each side. Welcome to our detailed comparison of the Shark S500 3D Genius Steam Mop and the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Today, we're diving deep into these popular cleaning machines to see which one truly deserves a spot in your home. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Shark S500 3D Genius Steam Mop retails at $129, while the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is more budget-friendly at $99. Many reviewers note that the Shark's extra features justify the higher price, emphasizing its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains and its durable design. Conversely, PurSteam users appreciate the value for money, particularly its versatility and range of attachments, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. In terms of water tank capacity, the Shark features a 220 milliliter tank, which reviewers say provides ample steam for efficient cleaning. However, some find it slightly cumbersome to fill. On the other hand, the PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, making it incredibly efficient for quick cleanups. Reviewers often highlight how quickly PurSteam is ready to use, despite its smaller tank size, making it a favorite for those who value speed. Cleaning power is where these two really stand out. The Shark S500 3D Genius comes with double-sided dirt grip washable pads, which reviewers rave about for their effectiveness in tackling stubborn stains, even on textured surfaces. The Genius head also allows for targeted steam cleaning. Meanwhile, PurSteam's 10-in-1 functionality means it can clean a variety of surfaces, including carpets and upholstery. Users appreciate its versatility, noting how it can handle everything from floors to drapes, making it a multitasking champion. Handheld steamer functionality sets these two apart. PurSteam features a detachable handheld steamer, which many users adore for its ability to clean clothes and upholstery with ease. Reviewers often mention how this feature adds significant value for various cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Shark focuses solely on being a mop, which some users find limiting, especially if they are looking for a multifunctional tool. On the tech front, the Shark boasts touch-free technology for removing pads, which users describe as a game-changer for maintaining cleanliness without the mess. PurSteam, while not as advanced, is praised for its lightweight design and maneuverability, allowing users to glide around furniture effortlessly. Reviewers often comment on how easy it is to handle, making cleaning less of a chore. Overall, the reviews for the Shark S500 3D Genius Steam Mop highlight its powerful cleaning capabilities and premium features, while the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and affordability. Both products have their strengths, making them appealing to different types of users. So which steam mop will you choose? If you want a powerful cleaner with advanced features, the Shark S500 3D Genius is your go-to. But if you prefer versatility and a budget-friendly option, the PurSteam 10-in-1 is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep your home sparkling clean. Outro music playing screen fades out with product links and channel logo.